This video will discuss some of the new features that have been added to VisualFoundation version 11. Let's get started. In VisualFoundation version 11, the mesh can now be refined at column piers and the pile supports to obtain more accurate models with fewer plate elements and shorter analysis times than were possible in previous versions of the program. The finite element method used by VisualFoundation is approximate, and the accuracy of the solution depends on how fine the mesh is in the model. Therefore, it is important to refine the mesh until the model converges to ensure the results of interest are accurate. For more information, see the Mesh Refinement training video. In VisualFoundation, punching shear reinforcement can be specified at both column piers and pile supports. Punching shear can be performed according to the ACI 318 or the CSA A23.3 design specifications. When punching shear reinforcement is specified, the capacity is checked at both the critical section through the slab shear reinforcement and the critical section outside of the slab shear reinforcement. For more information, see the punching shear reinforcement training video. In VisualFoundation version 11, the plate result diagram has been overhauled. You can access the diagrams by right-clicking in the Analysis view, or you can click and drag a slice through the slab to view the results in the slice direction and location. In the plate result diagram, you can choose the number of plots and which plots you want to view. Furthermore, you can modify the slice direction and the coordinate location if you want to view results in another direction or at a different location. One nice feature is that the chart settings persist. This allows you to exit the dialog box, make adjustments to the model, or select a different result case and pick back up right where you left off. Wall loads have been updated in VisualFoundation version 11. Now when changing the enter resultants parameter, the total magnitude of the load remains constant. For example, if you have a 10-foot long wall with a 0.1 kip per foot uniform load, setting enter resultants equal to yes, we can see the value changes from 0.1 kips per foot to 1.0 kips. VisualFoundation version 11 now ensures area loads are properly modeled before starting the finite element analysis. For example, a ring or tubular load with a thickness that is small relative to the size of the mesh plates may lead to a significant portion of the load not being generated. When this occurs, the analysis fails and an error message appears in the tooltip. Note, it is important to always refine your mesh and to review and verify the analysis results of your model. In addition to adding new features to VisualFoundation version 11, other minor changes and fixes have been made, along with improvements to the help file, which is accessed by clicking the button in the ribbon. We hope you enjoyed the new features of VisualFoundation version 11. Thanks for watching and have a great day.